Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today's video, guys, we're going to show you how to find the fuse for the rear window defroster. So if you have a Ford Focus, guys, generation MK3, this one will cover 2012 to 2017-18. And your rear window defroster, doesn't matter if it's sedan or hatchback, does not work. Okay, I'm talking about the defroster right here. We'll show you which fuse to check, guys. There is also a relay, so check out the video as well for the relay. It will be very helpful to test both of them. We have a video how to test the relay too, so you don't have to waste your money on buying a new one. Now you need to open the hood. Once you open the hood, okay, we'll need to locate the fuse box right here. And how you open that thing, you come on the back side and there is one clip, okay, and you need to grab it and pull it towards the back of the vehicle. Okay, and just pull it up like that. This is the clip. Pull it like that, and then you need to tilt it this way so these two clips can come out. After that, on the inner side you have the fuse puller right here, that red thing. So pull that black thing towards the side, that clip holder, and you can pull, okay, the fuse puller out of the way. Now on the back side of the lid you can see the numbers for the different fuses, and we need to locate fuse number 9, guys. Okay, and they're not labeled in sequence sometimes, so you can see right here you have 7, 8, then 19. So number 9 is this fuse, okay, right here. This is a 30, okay. F9 will be, okay, yes, this fuse right here. This is a 30 amp fuse, guys. Okay, you can see you don't even have to remove it, okay, because you can check the element inside without removing it. Okay, you can see that copper wire, there is two wires, one on the right side, one on the left side. So you need to go ahead and check the wire inside to make sure it's not burnt. If it's burnt, then you will need to remove and replace it. Let me show you how to do it with the puller now. All the tools, guys, and parts that we use, including the fuses, you can find them in the description of the video below. Okay, so let's see if that thing will work, or we'll have to use the screwdriver on this thing. It's pretty big. Okay, let me see how it grabs it. Yep, like that, but it's, in my opinion, this is very limited room here, so it's almost impossible to pull it out. I'm going to get a plastic panel removal tool. Okay, let me see which one I can grab, the one that's a little bit thinner on the front, and maybe try to pry the thing out a little bit. Okay, let me see these two, and sometimes if those don't work, you can use a small screwdriver to do it, because the way those fuses are, they go in pretty deep, and okay, you have to be extremely careful not to break the fuse next to it, and also not to damage the fuse box. Okay, just move it a little bit left and right and help it with the finger on one side. And you can see eventually the fuse, guys, comes out. And you can inspect it that way as well. Ours is good, as you can see. So that's a fuse for the rear window defroster, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you. Please hit that subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.